everyone, this is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and this little video is about NX inspection. The PMI that you put on a model these days is very powerful. When you're using model-based design, you could put PMI right onto the model. Then you can create a new inspection file that's going to utilize the PMI. Once you have the new inspection file, you can bring in the necessary items, the inspection tables, the probes, etc., all the things that you may need. In this little case, we're not using a CMM, but if you had the CMM model, this would be the time when you'd bring it in. Then you link the PMI to the model so that the modeler will be able to figure out what to do and how to inspect it. Once you have all of that done, the modeler creates the cutter paths or I should say tool paths, and the tool paths can be modified in order to do exactly what you may need. Thank you for watching.